So what's up guys, for today's video maglalaro tayo ng Pokemon games, and if you're not subscribed to me and you're just liking, please subscribe to have luck. So puputulin natin. We're loading. So, naglo-loading na tayo guys. Oh nah, man. That one is insane. This thing. So, in-evolve ko na pala sa Charmander. Kaya, ganito na yung itsura niya. Fire punches na tayo. Easy. Nice one. Spin boxing, let's go. Kasi galing na ako. So solid. I like this game. Yung animation, graphics, sobrang ganda. Grabe. Ooh, basic. Sobrang ganda pala niya kasi pwede ko mag-enhance at iba pa. So sorry guys kasi ngayon ko lang nasabi. Rookie reward. Mag-draw tayo. Free chances 5 or 5. So guys, ah, level 15 tayo, level 6 pa lang tayo, so value packs. Dami yung free dito guys, kaya kung gusto niyo sumali, sali na kayo. Rankings. Sobrang lakas, sobrang ganda ng graphics ng game na to. Pati na rin yung ito. Grabe, no? For just one tap. Ooh, wow. I have S rank, Ace, B. Oh, ayun na lang B. A rank lang tayo. Wind type na front. Sobrang lakas na natin. Hindi makatatalo pa kaya sa atin. Kung gusto nyo akong i-challenge guys, magpa level 15 kayo tapos rankings. Dun nyo makikita kung gano'n tayo kalakas. Wow, patagad. Let's go ball. Height resistance kapag yung hindi mo pa rin kaya. Oh, no effect. Pero something like that. Oh yeah, S rank, baby S rank. Ooh, wow. Okay, you wanna try it, girl? You wanna try? There go. They're gonna die, bruh. There's no damage in mine. Wala man din silang damage sa mga ano ko, sa mga Pokemon. Mga mahihina sila. Main page tayo. Upgrade natin sila. Woo! Sobrang lakas na natin. Pokemon. S-rank. Skill level shouldn't have exceeded level. You are not a VIP yet. You can also buy 1 times. Buy 20 skill points, cost 20. Thunderbolt. Electric shock. It's Tinker. Opening information. Are you serious, man? Are you for real? It's fairy, okay. This one is water type. Ice type and water type. Let's see. This one is a grass type. Ito ang grass type at poison type. Maganda pala to. It's also a. So, palit natin ito. Sorry, bye. Palit natin ito. Quick Okay to, okay to. Malakas to, Garma. Malakas to. So, yun lang naman for today's video. Kung gusto nyo ng part 2, sabihin nyo lang. At paabutin nyo rin ako ng kahit 100 subscribers or 100k subscribers kung kaya. Peace!